Out of 50, our next question is 16th question. Practical independent voltage source. This one also independent, one of the independent sources. But what is the difference between a ideal independent voltage source and practical independent source? In the sense, ideal independent source is a theoretical explanation or otherwise theoretical calculation, but practically there is a losses in between the source and load, and it's mean whatever the source voltage we are providing, the same source voltage we cannot get at load end. That is the major difference between ideal independent source voltage source and practical independent source. That one only I have written here. Practical source voltage is equal to a load voltage is not possible because there is a losses in between source and load. That's why load voltage is slightly less than source voltage, because internal resistance there is a losses among source and load. So previously also same diagram, there is no any difference between previous ideal independent voltage source and this one, but externally we can add one series resistance, because in between a source and load we are taking one cable wire. So source and load we are connecting with conducting material. That conducting material having a minimum resistance. So whatever it may be the conducting material we are taking, either that one is a copper copper conducting material or aluminum conducting material, whatever it may be the material, that material contains a little bit resistivity. Due to that resistivity there is a little bit losses in between source and load. So that resistance value we can indicate with that losses we are indicating with the series resistance here. Okay, so you remember here previous case in VI characteristics, source voltage is really a linear relationship with the load voltage, but here source voltage is these dotted lines and the load voltage is slightly differs. It's mean slightly decreases with the source voltage. So this line is a load voltage and this line is a source voltage. Okay, so previously you remember in ideal independent voltage source, here source voltage is equal to a load voltage. This is a theoretical VI characteristics. This is a practical VI characteristics.